Various organizations condemned the assaults of journalists by Manipur Police. The Ukhrul District Working Journalists Association UDWJA vehemently condemns the reprehensible actions of the police officer who assaulted Impact TV reporter RC Mangang, a journalist covering the IDP's rally. The association in a statement said that such an attack on the press, a crucial pillar of the democracy, is an unacceptable affront to free speech and accountability. This incident is part of a troubling pattern in the state, where journalists are frequently harassed and assaulted by security forces. The UDWJA demands immediate and exemplary action from the authorities to prevent any recurrence of such misconduct. The UDWJA stands in solidarity with EGM and AMJU, placing full support for any future action if the government fails to meet their clear demands for justice and protection of press freedom.